On the 6th of June 2024, Conrad K. Sangma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, addressed concerns regarding the creation of the Captain Williamson Sangma State University in Meghalaya. He emphasized that the university, with its numerous campuses and contact centers spread throughout the state, will ensure accessibility to all students whose institutions are affiliated with it. Sangma clarified that while affiliation with the state university will not be obligatory, students will benefit from being exempted from the Common University Entrance Test or the CUET.
The state government, after realizing that the CUET exam was made mandatory by the Government of India for Central University Entrance Test exam, that is, we realized that many colleges which were affiliated to NEHU, the students had to give exams of the CUET even though they were not applying for any course in NEHU. They were applying for admissions in their respective colleges. But because of the fact that the affiliation of these colleges were to NEHU, by default, they had to take the CUET exams so that we could allow the people and the colleges to affiliate to the state university. Now, when we went ahead with this and the desire to have a state university, there was something called the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University. The Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, the word technical had to be removed, and which was already passed, by the way, in the previous government. So the word technical university had to be removed, and we had to simply increase the number of subjects in this entire process. And then we were able to then expand and make the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University into a full-fledged university, so that any college could then affiliate to this thing.